Greetings, Panthers. I hope your summer semester is going well, and hopefully what I'm about to announce will make it just a little bit better. At the end of July, you'll finally have access to Microsoft Live 365. Okay, so it might not sound all that exciting, but it should make some things easier for you. And what it means is that you'll be able to use Microsoft Office right in your browser without having to install any software. And this will save you some hard drive space. And since you'll also have access to OneDrive now, all of your work can be saved in the cloud. Another bonus to having OneDrive is that you can submit documents directly from OneDrive to your Canvas assignments. This will also save you the hassle of seeing that error that says you're out of storage space in Canvas. So what's the catch? Well, during the weekend of July the 22nd through the 24th, you won't be able to access Canvas, your college email, or Workday because you'll be getting a fresh inbox. When you are able to log back into your email, you'll see that it's empty except for an email from the IT service desk with instructions on how to retrieve any important emails from your old inbox. You'll get that same email on July 13th, which is coming up in a couple weeks, so you can be prepared. It'll also have a tutorial video from me that will walk you through all the steps. You'll have access to your old emails for 2 weeks into the fall semester, so make sure you get any of those old emails that you'll need later. That's all I have for you at the moment. Just remember to look out for our next email on the 13th of July. And in the meantime, I highly encourage you to check out my Raise Your IT IQ playlist on YouTube by clicking the link right up here. That playlist has a lot of great information regarding all the tools that you'll be using here at Palm Beach State College. And you might also want to subscribe to that YouTube channel as well. Until then, my name is James, and I will see you in the next one.